Hey guys, in today's vid we're going to show you how to change a chain and sprocket and also adjust the chain and cut it to length using the chain closing tool. The shops call it a final drive kit and they charge around $500-600 to do that. It's basically chain and sprockets. Now a few tools you need: socket set, Allen key, chain closing tool, and obviously the parts, chain and sprocket. Now ways to tell that your old sprocket is worn is basically the teeth will be leaning forward. So we start off by simply taking the covers off. You can see in there how worn it is, and also we've got here all these old O-rings broken off the chain. Alright, so that's a sign of a well-worn chain. I'll just give this a bit of a quick clean out. Decent clean. Get right in there. So after a quick wash, we take the back wheel off. Going to take the sprocket off. Have your wheel lying flat. Most bikes are different, but with the Ducati, now they're bolted in the anti-clockwise. Loosen them, which is a bit random, a bit weird. That's how. Let's do a little comparison. Okay, so the new sprocket bolted on. Whoops. The sprocket back on. This is a problem last time I was locked on.